Hello everybody, welcome to Midas Touch Greens. My name is Vandana Jain. I'm an interior stylist, Vastu consultant, numerologist, color consultant and an Astro Vastu researcher. In today's video, we are going to be talking about a very interesting aspect that talks about not individual benefits of the remedies but benefits to everybody in the family. So today's video is about how to have a happy, healthy, wealthy family. We are all blessed by a birth chart that talks about our planetary positions in various houses. Some planets are strong, some planets are weak. But we know that we have to work on the weak planets, and for that we donate a lot of things, we do expensive remedies. But in today's video, we are going to be talking about basic and essential strongest remedies that you can do during the week and make this weakest planet or the weakest aspect of your life the strongest. What are the things that you can do to make it happy? We all know that we are all chasing many things in life. It can be love, comfort, luxuries, leadership, power, stability, influence, determinations, the many things that we all require to have in our life. For that, we keep on doing. We are all juggling throughout the day what we can do, but there are times where we see that it is not giving us the benefit. Why it happens, we never get to have an answer for that. But we can always try to say that sometimes we can see the reasons, sometimes we can't. And we believe in the power of the planets. So we can always be reaping benefits by doing something that can actually support in the outcome of our desires. So in today's video, we are going to be talking about a weekly planner, what you can do during the day to reap a happy, healthy, wealthy family, and your family becomes your remedy. That's the surprise. So how you can actually make it work? Let's start to hear that. We start from Sunday. Sundays are representative of the strongest energy of the universe, that is Sun, the solar deity. And solar deity is represented by the father in the house. What you can do and what does this particular thing means? If you're having issues in your life regarding to power, leadership qualities, fame, then there are chances that your sun is not benefiting you and it is not placed rightfully. So you can reap the benefits on Sundays by respecting and idolizing your father and always seek blessings on Sunday. This is to tell you that we all have to be very, very supportive and emotionally connected during the whole week. So we don't have to respect and love them out of the remedy benefit, but we have to reap the right benefits. So we have to be supporting and respectful throughout the time. Monday is associated with moon, and moon is representative of feelings, your emotions, your willings. It is a feminine planet. It's also called the queen of the solar system. So if you have emotional turbulences, if you're not having peace in life, if you are not finding joy in the day's schedule, you can always be pampering on Monday the mothers of the house, your mother, motherly figures, your maternal relatives, so that you can reap benefits of moon. Then on Tuesdays are associated with planet Mars, and Mars is an indicator of energy, determination, competition, electrifying representation in the society. So this is also connected with your siblings. It's suggested that you have a nice, strong relationship with your siblings and never borrow any debt on Tuesdays, because it does not reap good benefits and you will not be able to reap that particular debt. So always keep and maintain relationship nice with everybody in the family, so you can actually have a strong personality and strong presence in the society. Moving on to Wednesday. Wednesday is associated with Mercury, and Mercury is associated with Budh. Budh or Buddhi, education, ideas, information, communication, ये सब is related with Mercury. So you can always see that if you are not reaping, you're not feeling right in taking up decisions, you're becoming indecisive, you're not able to creatively generate ideas, you're not able to give yourself right, you're not able to choose well for you in terms of academics, that means your Mercury is afflicted. So you need to do on Wednesday is to have good relationship, you have good relationship with your cousins and friends and young kids of the house. This will reap good benefits to you. Always stay cordial, but these days are special days, so you have to be extra careful on these days. Then on Thursdays are connected with Jupiter, and Jupiter is indicator of your stability, your influence, and your religious acts of life. So if you're finding that your life is not stable, you're not able to make an influential mark in the life, that means your Jupiter is not sitting or is not rightfully showering the blessings on you. To activate the planet's blessing, you just have to be respectful to your gurus, to your teachers, to your mentors in life. So you don't have to keep calling your teachers every Thursday. You just have to be respectful for anybody or everybody who's your mentor or guru in everyday's life. It can be your boss, it can be your friend, it can be your teacher, it can be your mentor, or it can be your guardian, anybody. So you just have to be respectful and you just have to keep giving them respect throughout. Then on Fridays are connected with planet Venus, and Venus is the brightest planet of the solar system. It's representing comforts, luxury in your life. So if you're missing that particular aspect in your life, you can always keep the unmarried women or your spouse, your partner, very happy on this day to reap special extra blessings by planet Venus. Then on Saturdays, what you can do, Saturdays are represented with Saturns, and Saturns are representing your in-house domestic helps and servants or manual laborers in your house. So what you can do on Saturdays, you can do some social services, be humble to them. If they are needy, help them. Always be respectful for them. So you can always see that everything that you desire in your life, whatever you think, whatever you want, you can always get it, keeping in mind that you really revere or respect the associated family member, and you always be very active in understanding that where are you lacking in not maintaining the right support system in your family. I hope that you've taken some good notes from these tips and you will reap good benefits out of these tips. I hope to see if you have any comment regarding this video and you would want any other video for your benefit. Do leave a comment and we'll be happily making a nice video for you in the coming time. Hope to see everybody shortly with the next video. Have a very good day. Stay blessed and happy. Thank you so very much.